Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the photoelectric effect. So the photoelectric effect is when light hits and excites electrons on the surface of a metal. So you see that light hitting the electron, and then once the electron gets excited by this light, they jump out or eject themselves in the form of photoelectrons. So photoelectrons are these electrons that jump out after they get hit by a light. And the equations that we're going to be using for the photoelectric effect is just the ones that we used for light waves, energy, and speed of light, as well as Planck's constant. So we've all seen these equations before. So let's talk about how the energy and work of photoelectric effect works. So photoelectric effect needs a minimum light